Hi, my name is Paul Selking, Vice President of Commercial Sales and Marketing at WaterFurnace, and welcome to the Ask the Expert, your go-to resource for all things geothermal. Let's dive in. What is it that makes the installation and troubleshooting easier for electricians and contractors? The TruClimate 900 can also be shipped with a single-point power panel, as you see here. That panel provides some nice flexibility on the job site and makes the installation easier for the electrician and the contractors on site. As you see, it comes already with all of the various breakers and other electrical gear inside of it. The top panel also comes with a transformer in it that gives you a nice service outlet here for the technician on site or for the contractor with a 115-volt service plug here on the outside. Let's go around to the back and see some of the other benefits that it comes with. The TruClimate 900 will also ship with this raceway setup. So once you get the units banked up and installed, you put the single point power panel on, you'll have all these raceways that you can install. The nice thing about these is they're sealed and they open up easily, and then they allow the electrician to easily pull the wire through these raceways and make the connections on the other side in the single point panel.